Alright, I got it ready for a culvert. I wanted an 8-inch, but I don't have one. I got a 12-inch that'll work for this. Time for the culvert. Hit the afterburners, baby. Okay, so if you've installed culverts before, you know that if you rip an end up like this and that loose gravel gets underneath it, there's really no good way of fixing it. I mean, you could maybe dig under it by hand with a steel shovel, maybe, but it's really tricky to get that thing laying flat again. So I'm going to do an assessment, and then I think it's going to be a total do-over. Really a shame. That's a beautiful pipe. Now I gotta dink with it. It's just damn steel hooked it. Oh, that sucks. That really sucks right there. Alright, I'm gonna work on this, try and get that level back down. Well, that's what happens when you get in a hurry. I gotta redo the whole thing. Finish there. I'm ticked off, of course. It's supposed to rain, of course. Alright, so a couple things you're going to notice here. One is I decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and knock it deeper, about another 3 inches, which is why I wanted the 8-inch. It still would have worked, but secondly, I'm not talented enough to just recover the gravel, the stone. So you're going to see the clumps of clay mixed in here, which structurally it's going to be just fine, because a lot of these pipes we just use the clay anyways, with no stone or a layer over the top. But it will look ugly, at least just for a little bit. That driveway fixed up, at least looking a little better. Alright, it's the next day. We got rain, but I just want to get the stone looking on there. That first culvert was so beautiful, all nice and clean stone. So before we have a showing, I at least want to get the stone. So I ain't going in the dirt or the mud. I'm just going to get the fresh stone on top. Just so it looks better. And then I'll wait for it to dry up, which who knows how long that's going to be. I sure like the link pedal. I'm glad that finally came in. Alright, so on day 2 here, after we got the rain, I can't and do not want to go anywhere on the dirt, the clay, because it'll be a mess. So that's why I'm just going where I can keep my footprint on the gravel just to try to make it look a little bit better in case we get a showing here in the next few days. So that's why I'm not like grading it properly, going all the way up into the driveway and bringing more stone just yet. Alright, that's where I'm leaving it for now. Everything is just so wet and so soft that at least it looks better than the mess I made yesterday. So now we gotta wait for some sunshine. It's gonna be a while, but one step at a time.